Hello, 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 hello. Hello, my wonderful audience. How you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to unbox and set up microwave. So in this video, this is part 2 of the video. I made a video part 1. One of my audience said they were not able to see my face. Yeah, so I was standing up and this whole stuff was blocking my face. So I decided to redo this video for my audience, okay? Yeah, I told you guys your wish is my command. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to unbox and set up microwave. So the brand of my microwave is Hamilton Beach. So I'm going to show you guys, before I open this box, I'm going to show you guys the full size of the microwave. So just let me know in the comment section if you can see this. This is the first side right here. The front size, this is it right here. Yeah, this is the front size. This is the other side right here. The brand is Hamilton Beach. Hamilton Beach is the brand. This is the other side right here. And I'm also going to show you guys the functions of the microwave and where I bought this microwave from and how much I paid for it. Yeah, before I open this microwave, I just want to say shout out to my sweetheart who bought this for me. Thank you, sweetheart. Thanks for your kindness and thanks for being so supportive to us. Yeah, may the good old Lord favor you. So let me read some of the, on this microwave, as you can see right here. Can you guys see? Okay, let me put it right here. Can you guys see? Just let me know in the comment section if you can see this microwave, okay? So on this microwave, we have a lot of functions here. Yeah, the brand. So guys, let me just open the microwave and I'm gonna read the menu to you guys. But yeah, Hamilton Beach, we have power wave, we have time cook, weight defreeze, time clock, time defreeze, and then microwave have from 1 to 9 minutes. We have the start button, pause button, and unlock button, okay? So now I'm about to show you guys. This is the bottom right here. This is the bottom of the microwave. Yep. And this is the top right here. Yep. So now let's get started. Let's get into something serious, okay? So I usually tell YouTube when I'm making video like this, like products review, I usually tell YouTube my video is not for kids. So if you're a kid, you want to use scissors, I recommend you to ask a grown-up to supervise you or to help you. Don't do this alone, okay? Okay. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm super excited. I can't wait to use my microwave for the very first time. Yeah, we got this microwave on Sunday. So this is the first layer right here. And this is the, okay. Right here, this is the first. This is the second right here. Okay. And 5, y'all. So let's get started. Yeah, this is the microwave right here. Yep, it's still covered here, guys. We're still reverting this. We are still reverting this microwave, okay? So we got this box right here. Oh my god. We have this big box covering the microwave, I guess. Hold on. Sorry, I'm sorry. Hold on.
You shout at me.
Sorry. So we have the top right here for the box that covers the microwave. Okay, we're gonna put this aside. Oh my god, what I like about this is the microwave came in a bag. It's in a very big bag right here. Yeah. And on the top of the microwave, we have go for me. On the top of the microwave, we have the menu right here. This is the menu. So I'm gonna make a tutorial and be teaching you guys how to use this menu. Yeah, how to use the microwave by reading the menu to you guys. Again, the name is Hamilton Beach Microwave. Yeah, that's the brand of my microwave, Hamilton Beach. I love Hamilton product because the red is still on. They last longer. Yeah. Guys, I think I might need help, y'all. What do you guys think? Do you guys think? This is the microwave right here. Oh my god. Guys, I'm a baby mama though. I have kids in my home. I don't know what came over me. I chose white. Yeah, I'm usually like kind of black for the kids' sake. I like to go for black color in microwave, but I don't know what came over me. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be my first time using white microwave in my kitchen. Yeah, guys, so let's go. Let's get it started. Oh my god. Ta-da! There comes the microwave. There you go, y'all. This is the microwave right here. Oh, sorry, guys. Guys, the microwave is really heavy, though. Okay. Yep. So the microwave was in a bag. This is the bag right here. And in this box, the box the microwave came from, this is how inside of the box look like. Let me know if you can see inside the box. This is how it look like. For now, as of now, I'm not going to throw this microwave box away because I want to try if it doesn't work for me so I can be able to put it back in the box to return it. Yep, that's it right there. So this is the microwave right here. This is, let me know if you can see this. But this is actually the front. This is the door right here. Guys, can you see inside the microwave? Yeah, this is white microwave. And inside of this microwave, we have a glass here. This is how the glass look like. Yep. But guys, you gotta be really careful though. It's something that can break easily, so. And you just close the door. Let me show you guys the cord. The cord of the microwave is not very long. This is how it look like. This is how long the cord is. Can you see this here? So you're just gonna put this in the socket. Yeah, and then it's gonna start working for you. So this is the front of the microwave. It have all of the information you need. You have it on it over there. And the blue stuff you see right here on the microwave, the blue stuff you see here, it's just a quick guard for the microwave, okay? Very quick guard for the microwave. So this is the other side right here. Yep. And this is the other side right here. And this is the back of the microwave. So what I recommend for my audience, I usually tell you guys when you're putting your stuff in the wall, like electronics, I recommend you to just leave a space between the wall and the stuff. Like example, you're gonna put this microwave on the wall, just leave a space between the wall and the microwave. Most American houses are built with plank, so you gotta be very careful and very gentle. Yeah, for safety, just things happen though. So I'm gonna be giving you guys the functions of the microwave right here. This is Hamilton Beach microwave. We have power level, cook time, wait defreeze, time, clock, time defreeze. We have from 1 minute to 9 minutes. Yeah, we have from 1 to 9 minutes. We have unlock button, we have start button, and we also have pause button. Yeah, they said press 0 to unlock during or after cooking. But guys, I was surprised yesterday when I tried this microwave, it locked automatically. Yeah, that was really nice though. And we have so let me show you guys. We have some warning sign inside of this microwave. Let me just read it to you guys really quick. So they say warning, the warning for the microwave, they say do not allow children to use this microwave. Do not allow kids to use the microwave, okay? And they say use caution when removing hot items. Failure to follow the instruction can lead in severe burns. Oh my god, yeah. So guys, that's what people are telling us about the microwave. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section what you think of this microwave. Hold on, which color is, hold on, go sit down. What is your favorite color in microwave? I've been using black microwave since I started using microwave, but this is my very first white microwave in my kitchen. Yep, my name is Rosemary. I'm a mother of 2 from West Africa, Liberia. Recording this video from the comfort of my home in Columbus, Ohio. So on my channel, I do just a little bit of everything. I do cleaning up, I do products review, I do fitness, I cook on live video. And this channel is family friendly. Yeah, my channel is family friendly, okay? Yeah, so feel free. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So our goal for this summer, our goal for this summer is to hit 10K subscribers. As of now, we have 8K subscribers, 8.5K subscribers. So we actually want to get like 10K before the kids go back to school. As you all know, when school open new day, like the first or second week of school, we be so busy we don't have much time to create a lot of content. So guys, please help us to meet our goal. Let us know in the comment section below what you think. I bought this microwave from Walmart, but you can get microwave from Sam's Club, from Best Buy, just wherever you think you can get microwave from, okay? As for me, I bought this microwave from Walmart. If I'm not making mistake, maybe like $120 for this microwave. And my sweetheart actually surprised me. So I'm gonna tell you guys a short story about this microwave. So my sweetheart came to visit us and he saw my microwave, the black one I was using in the kitchen over there. Yeah, when I was moving in, my microwave fell and it broke. So like being a single mom, I don't have time to waste money. I just went to the store, to U-Haul store, and I bought electrical tape. And I just came and taped my microwave. So he came in, he saw the microwave with a lot of tape on it. He like, what is that? Guys, I was really shy. He like, no, not there. Come on, get in the car, let's go. And I got in the car, went to the store. He like, just pick any microwave of your choice. It doesn't matter what color, what price, just pick what you want. So I'm like, okay, because I'm replacing this microwave, I already have black microwave in. Let me try white and see what's going on. So guys, can you guys please wish me good luck to my new microwave? And I hope my kids don't mess this microwave up. Like they don't delay it soon. Yeah. So guys, shout out to you. Shout out to Auntie Helena. Shout out to Auntie Lucy. Shout out to Pastor. Not forgetting my one and only producer in the building. Shout out to you, producer. And my one and only manager. Shout out to you. And my sweetheart, I'm just going to call him my sponsor for now. He's so supportive. So shout out to you, darling. Love you. And not forgetting my very self. Shout out to me, the CEO of Rosemary TV. Shout out to me, man. Not forgetting my homeboy, Sammy Pepe, Big Team, Auntie Rita, and everybody. Shout out to all of you guys. Love you all so much. Subscribe. Yeah, guys. So we have come to the end of this video. So let me know which product you guys want me to review next. The next product you want me to review, just let me know in the comment section. Yep, guys. Let's do it. Let's get the party started.